What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we are going to make a Dorito smash burger. Double Dorito smash burger. So in honor of it being 4th of July, we're going to do burgers all month. I'm going to do a bunch of different kinds. I'm not sure exactly what kind, so if you got some recommendations, let me know. See what we can do, throw a twist on it. So yeah, let's get into it. So the first thing we're going to do is get these veggies going right here. There's a lot of different ways to do this Dorito burger. This is just a way that I felt like doing it. Throw a little spice. I love some grilled onions on my burger, so felt like adding those as well. So we're just going to get these turned up real quick. Let them go. So while we got these going, I did make a quick little clip of me preparing the smash burgers, which I got right here. So let's take a look at that real quick, and then we'll come back and talk about all the other ingredients and all that good stuff. All right, so here's our meat right here, 80-20 ground beef. Boom. Now here's our Doritos. Just plop them on in, mix it all together. All right, so there's our meat right there. Did add some more Doritos to it, but you get it. So let's pull some of this out. I'm gonna make some smash patties. Now, I know you're not supposed to ball them up real tight like that, but after mixing it all together, you just gotta do what you gotta do. All right, so we got these things cooking up good. Now, these are the chips we use, spicy nacho. That's my favorite Dorito personally. I'm sure the Cool Ranch would be amazing in this as well, but that's not the route we took. We got some sesame seed brioche buns. We got cheese. We got some lettuce, pickles, mayo to toast up the buns, ketchup, mustard. Man, there's all kinds of goodness going on here. Let's get some burgers smashed. All right, so there we go. We got them smashed. Now, I know when you do smash burgers, you're not supposed to pack the meat together real good so you get a better smash, but I wanted to make sure I got all that Dorito and goodness mixed in really good. And yeah, so that's how we got this going. Looks good so far. They're kind of misshapen a little bit, but still going to eat up just fine. See how we're doing on this. We're looking good. I didn't throw any seasoning on anything because I have a feeling all the seasonings we're going to get from them Doritos is going to be phenomenal. So, that's where we're at with that. Yeah, let's just let this stuff cook up. Alright, we're going to throw some cheese on this. Man, I hope you guys saw that really good because these things look phenomenal. These are going to be good. Alright, let's get a bun going. Get multiple buns going. We got the Dukes on there to get them toasting. Oh yeah, they're going to toast up. That cheese is going to melt pretty fast. I mean, this is not going to take long at all. I mean, I've only been cooking for just a few minutes. The most time it took was getting stuff prepped and the of letting the griddle warm up. Man, look at that. Ooh, that looks so good. Alright, so I'm just checking these buns. Ooh, that's hot. Alright. Yep, we're looking good on those. These burgers, I'm telling you, they look and smell amazing. Let's get them off. Tell you what, it is super hot out, especially when you're standing in front of the griddle for this long. So I think these patties are really big. I'm just going to go with one, I think. But I mean, it looks amazing. Nice and crispy. Let's start building. So first we're going to start off with a little bit of this. All of that goodness. I'm not missing out on all of you guys. Get in there. Right like so. We got some pickle chips. I'll load these bad boys down here. Alright. Let's throw this. Ooh, that patty. That thing is nice and crispy. Perfect. Now, going a little mustard, a little ketchup, plop on the lettuce, get it all up in there, want a bunch. There we go. Oh man, I always drop my cat. Alright, what do you say we dive in here? This looks so good. I want this bite right here. Looks so good. Got a little bit of pink in there. That's pretty good. I love the crisp. Got a nice crisp on there. I really, really like that. That's pretty good. I think I might try this again, but use Flamin' Hot Cheetos. That's my favorite chip of all time. The veggies have a nice little crunch to them. Didn't overcook them, get them all soggy. Man, I can't get over that patty, that crunch that's on there. That is really good. I mean, that's all I got, guys. I appreciate you coming along. Hit the thumbs up if you like the video. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. Let me know some ideas on burgers for this month. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.